Rain and Willow's birthday party was today. Rain turned 4 and Willow turned 2. They are so cute. Oh, babies. They love to play in the sand. I think that they will be playing in the sand all summer long.
Alright, let's get working.
They'll be playing in the sand. They'll be playing in the pool. We've got to get a swing set and a playhouse and they will be set.